shots from the car seat, or maybe hang you to your next broke, choke you with a stethoscope. That's how I kill a motherfucker in a heartbeat on a dark street. Motherfucking yo, is it be done? Is it the city we from? Got us killing each other, hoping these spread grub. Follow me on the big Bradbury and 151. That's not a rap with scrap rum. I done seen a nigga double with the pistol bullet coming through the window of a rental situation. Just a middle. Kids are getting caught up in the middle when they kill them. That's why I'm keeping a pistol. Matter of fact, capture my enemy, kidnap him, slap him in the back of the infinity. Bitch, down to the math, the identity. It starts spazzing like Charles Manson or absent industry. Fight back, attack me with energy. Right back to add to your injury. When I write rap, you have to have a bachelor's in chemistry. Or a master's in math to be in the actual vicinity. To pass me a mentally, to match my agility. From Aspen to Italy, I have the ability to send your ass to the Trinity like death when it's after the Kennedy. Motherfucking bitch! Expect attention of a million, we're being ignored.